Yang Shamsi is coming. Hello.
Good morning, everyone. So today we will do the questions of analytical geometry 3D in the second class. Okay, so you must recall all before the class, you should recall all the formulas, recall or revise so that you can do all the questions. Also, try to learn whatever main result was. Okay, uh, and inherit other dependent result from that. Because it will help you to not remember a lot of formulas so that it creates confusion for you. So try to remember only results that are main results, and other results can be reduced from that only. Okay. So we will go with the first question. First question is previous year question. It was asked that out of these two statements, which one of these is correct? And first is saying given equation represents a straight line, and second is saying represents a straight line passing through this point. So you know that by definition of a straight line in 3D geometry, the first expression is representing a straight line only, and there is nothing saying about the point from which it is passing through or not. It's just a straight line. So this statement is correct to the best of our knowledge of a definition of a line passing through a line in 3D geometry. Okay. And when we move forward, we see that if we have given a point, say alpha, beta, and gamma, then the equation can be represented in term of direction ratios or cosines. If there are ratios, then you can deduce the cosines from them. And uh, once you bring out these things, you can see that this was the equation of a line passing through a given point. So both were the definition of equation of lines for the particular cases only. So both the statements are true. So it means that you can say that statement 1 is true and statement 2 is true, which is option number. Okay. All right. So now let's move to our next question. Next question is saying that if the center of a sphere is this, then what is the value of B? Okay. So a sphere, you know that equation of a sphere, you are well aware with that. Okay. So first, what will we do? We will reduce that. We will use the general equation of sphere So we know that we have this is as the equation of a sphere. Okay. If this is a sphere, then one thing that you can be sure about is that coefficient of x square, y square, and z square must be same. So say uh, it means that a is equal to b is equal to c. If ax square plus by square plus cz square minus 2x minus 4y plus 4y, not minus, plus 2z is equal to 3. And if this is a sphere, then a is equal to b is equal to c. So you can replace a, b, c by single term, maybe a or b or c. So say you are replacing by a, then it is ax square plus ay square plus az square minus 2x plus 4y plus 2z is equal to. Now divide whole of the equation by a. Then what will you get? X square plus y square plus z square minus 2 upon ax plus 4 upon ay plus 2 upon a z, and it is 3 upon. Okay, so it is given that the center of the sphere is nothing but it is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 center is 1 by 2 minus 1 and minus 1 by 2. So it means that minus from here we can say that the center is uh, what can we say about the center? It is mm, yeah. So equation of sphere is 2x x square y square z square 2x something to in the multiple of 2 and in the multiple of y with 2 and 2z, something like that. Okay. So from here we can say that 1 upon minus 1 upon b comma minus 2 upon b comma minus 1 upon b is equal to is same as minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 and minus 1. So if you compare both the side, then you will see that b is nothing but it is equal to 2, because 1 upon b will come out to be 1 upon 2. So b will be equal to 2 only. Okay, so this is the way of asking question. Okay, next question. So option number C is correct. Next question is that they are asking what is the length of perpendicular from the origin to the given plane? Okay, so the plane is the length of perpendicular from the origin to the plane is, it is given by the equation. Um, mm, let let me write the equation: ax plus by plus root 2 av z is equal to 1. Okay, now see, we have the origin. So origin, the point origin say O will be nothing but 0 comma 0 comma 0. Okay, suppose it was x, say alpha beta gamma, then we know that the equations coming out to be alpha plus beta plus gamma with multiplication. Okay, with multiplication with respective ratios minus this minus this, because if you bring out minus 1 over here, so it will be minus 1. So it is d. Okay, so in our case we have 0 and we multiply by 0 anything, it does not matter. So it is 0 plus 0 plus 0 minus 1 upon root a square b square plus square of this quantity. This is c. Okay, so c square is nothing but 2ab. Okay, so it is 2ab. It is 1 upon under root, we have taken the modulus, a plus, which is option number. Okay, now let's move to next question. It is saying that if O and P are the points given as 0, 0, 0 and 2, 3, minus 1. Okay, then what is the equation of plane through P at right angle to OP? Okay, so it is asking, we have 2 points OP And then it is asking for the equation of that plane which pass through P but makes an right angle with OP. Okay, so what we will do? Let's see. Okay, equation of, okay. So let's start. So what we have given 2 points, 0, 0, 0 and 2, 3, -1. Then the direction ratios of line OP. So first of all, we find direction ratios of OP. So what will be they? It is 0, 0, 0. It is 2, 3, -1. So they will simply be 2, 3 and -1. Okay. Then plane is perpendicular to OP. So its equation will, just one term will be, see, it is 2x. It is perpendicular to this point. Na? It is perpendicular to this line. So its equation will be 2x. Where is the point? Okay, so it is 2x plus 3y minus z plus d is equal to 0. With the help of this, we can bring out this, right? Okay, since the plane passes through this, then what is like passing through P? This is the P and this is O. Okay, so it is passing through P. So it means that it will satisfy the given equation. So you can put 2 as x, 3 as y, and -1 as z. Then you will get D. So what will be the D? D will be 4 plus 9 plus 1 minus 4 minus 9 minus 1. It is -14. So D will be -14 from here. So we will get the equation of plane. So it is the equation of plane is 2x plus 3y minus z is equal to 40. That is option number B. Okay. Next question. It is asking under what condition represent a direction cosine of a line. So it is asking about the condition. So you know that I have told you a relation that if cos alpha, cos beta, and cos gamma are direction ratios, then cos square alpha, cos square beta, and cos square gamma is equal to 1. You can apply this. Okay. So it will be 1 upon root 2 square plus 1 upon 2 square plus k square is equal to 1. So you can see it will be 1 upon 2, it will be 1 upon 4, and it will be still k square. So k square will be nothing but 1 minus 3 by 4. So it is again 1 by 4. So k is coming out to be plus minus 1 by 2. Okay, so C is the correct option. Next question is that a plane which passes through point P 3 to 0 and the line x minus 4 upon 1 by minus 7 upon 5 is equal to z minus 4 upon 4 is, it is asking for the plane which is passing through this point, and equation of line is given by this. So what will it be? Okay, so now think a plane is passing through this point and this line. So if a plane is passing through a, suppose this is the line, how should I tell you? This is the line. Then a plane can pass like this. A plane can pass like this. What I'm saying, you will get to know. Okay, so from one particular line, there can be infinite number of planes that can pass through it. So that's what I'm trying to say. Okay, but out of these four options that we have given to us, only one option saying that the coordinates are satisfying the point 3 comma 2 comma 0 and 4 7 and 4, because if a plane is passing through this point and this line, then it means that the line is passing through this point. Okay, line is passing through this point. So it means that the both the points 4 7 4 and 320 are lying on the same plane. So it means that out of these four options, there will be a equation that will satisfy these both the points, 474 and 320. So which is that one? Let's try first one. Okay, so if I put 4, here 7, and here 4, then it is 1. Yeah, it is satisfying this. If I put 3 here, 2 here, and 0, it is satisfying. So option number A is satisfying both the point 474 and 320. So this question is bit seems to be a little bit tricky, but it is very easy. You need to just focus on the thing that you find 2 points, one from the line and one from the given point, and satisfy all the equations. Out of them, you will get to see that only one is satisfying the correct case. So that's what we get, and question solved very easily. Okay. Next question. The direction ratios of normal to plane so these given points, which makes an angle pi by 4 with plane x plus pi is equal to 3r. Okay, so plane passing through first point is say a x minus 1 plus by plus cz is equal to 0. Okay, a plane passing through second points as well. So it means that if it passes through 0 1 0 0 1 0, then what we can say that minus a plus b, no, y is 1. Okay, minus a plus b is equal to, this implies that b is equal to a. Okay, simply I just put x to be 0, y to be 1, and z to be 0. So I get a is equal to b. Also, cos 45 degree is, I'm using, I'm finding the angle. So it is a plus a upon root. So it will be 2a square plus c square plus 2a square plus c square. It is 2 times 2a square plus c square. Well, it means that 2a is equal to root 2a square plus c square, which means that 2a square is equal to c square. It means that c is equal to root 2. So it means that a is equal to v, and a is equal to b, and c is equal to root 2a. So if a is 1, b is 1, then c is root 2. So these are the direction ratios. 1 1 2. Okay. All right. Next question. The shortest distance from the plane to this sphere is. So to the plane to the sphere, what will be the shortest distance? We know the formula. Just it will be A to B, B to C. Okay. So let's do this question. So the shortest distance is D is equal to, so from here it is minus 2 into 12 plus 4 into 1 plus 3 into 3 minus 327 divided by root a square plus b square plus c square. So it is 12 square, which is 144, 4 square, which is 16, and 3 square, which is 9. So if you simplify this, it is minus, okay, so in minus also it will be 4 plus 1 plus 9 plus 155. Okay, so it is nothing but, I just simply use the formula. You can see it will be 144 plus 9 is 153, 153, 163, 169, it is 13. And above, if you multiply, it will be coming out to 26 minus 13 is equal to 30, which is option number D. You just do the calculations. Simple formula. Okay. Next, we have two lines, and it is asking in the what condition they will be perpendicular. So we already did one question of this type. If you could remember in class, we already did. So I can leave it as the homework as well. Okay. Even though it is very simple, they will be perpendicular if a dash, let me tell you, plus 1 dot 1 plus c dash is equal to 0. That's it. Because from here, if you bring out x minus y upon x minus p upon a is equal to y minus 0 upon 1. Okay, and again it is equal to z minus t upon c. Similarly, for this you can see then a will goes to a dash, 1 with 1, and c with c dash. And all these multiplications should be equal to, addition of these multiplications should be equal to 0. Okay, so we already did this question in the class. All right. Next question uh, we have given the lines, and it is asking when they will be coplanar. So you know that when they are coplanar with the determinant given by x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. So it is L1, it is L2, it is M1, it is M2, it is N1, it is N2. So what we will get, x2 minus x1, it is x2 minus x1, it is 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2. So it is 1. So if I take it as x, it is minus 1, it is minus 1, it is 1, it is 1, it is k, then it is k, it is 2, it is 1, should equal to 0. Then if when you will open this, you will get k square plus 3k is equal to 0, and k comma k plus 3 is equal to 0. It means that k is equal to 3 or k is equal to minus. We have 2. So which is option number D. Okay. Next, the radius of the circle in which the sphere is cut by the plane is. So a circle, it is asking to find the radius of a circle which is formed by cutting a sphere by a plane. So you know that if a ball is cut, you chop off the ball, maybe it is a football or cricket ball, then it will come out to be some circular form, right? So it is asking for the radius of that circle, which will occur when you cut the ball by the equation of the ball is given, and it plane through which you are cutting it. It is giving both the equations. It is asking for the radius. So suppose this is the sphere. Let's draw a sphere. Okay. Wait. Let's do this. Oh, say it is O, it is C, and it is A. All right. So from the equation, we can see easily that the center of a sphere is minus 1, comma minus 1, minus 1, comma 1, comma 2. It is the center of the sphere. Okay, so here it is being represented by 4. Then the radius will be nothing but it will be the 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 19. And its root. So it is 4, 5, 6, 19 and 6, 25, it is 5. Okay. Perpendicular distance from the center to the plane, it is given by OC. From the figure you can see. Okay. So OC is nothing. Let's say it is D. Then it is minus 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 upon root 1 plus 4 plus 4, which is equal to 12 upon 3, which is equal to 4. So it means that by the Pythagoras theorem, AC square plus OC square is equal to AO square, right? So you can see that AC square we need to find, OC square we have 16 and AB square we have AO square is we have 5 square, which is 25. So AC square is equal to 9, AC is equal to 3, which is option number D. Okay, next. Distance between two parallel planes. Very easy question. It is just apply the formula. Okay, so first plane is 2x plus 2y. So first of all, the planes are parallel, so we need to express in simplest ratio. So it is 2x, it is 2, it is 1, it is 2. It is 4, it is 2, it is 4. So I can write second one as 2 times 2x plus y plus 2z plus 5 upon 2 is equal to 0. If I divide it by here, then it will be simply that only. So we need not to worry about other things. Just here it is 8, there it is 5 by 2, which is of minus. Okay, so in the absolute, we wait. Hmm, Distance between two parallel planes. So if I bring 8 over there, wait, then it will be 2x plus y plus 2z minus 8 is equal to 0. So if I apply this 8 minus 5 upon 2, because 5 will be in minus 10 na, or 8 will be in minus, because we need to find the d only. Let's see what happens. Upon root 2 square plus 2 square plus 2 square is 2 root 9. Okay. Okay. No, it is root 9 only. So 16 minus 16 plus 5 upon 2 root 9. Now it will be 2 root 9. It is 11 upon 3 into 2. 11 upon 6. But no option is like this. If I take plus over here, let me do an experiment. Maybe it is wrong mistype. If I take plus it over, then it is 16 plus 5 is equal to 21 upon 3. Then it is 7 and answer will be 7 upon 2. So then it is coming out to be option number 3. So mark that there might be some mistake, printing mistake, because it is D1 plus D2 only. Okay, so D1 8 here and 5 here, but 1 it is after the equal and 1 is before the equal. So you take care of that because there is some printing mistake. Okay. All right. Now let's move on to next question. What is the next question? The intersection of the sphere is the sum of intersection of one of the sphere and the plane. Okay. If two spheres are intersecting each other, then which one of the plane it is asking, which one of the plane will be passing through that intersection? In simple words, if I say. So what we will do, just anytime if you encounter such type of question, then let me tell you what you have to do. Suppose this is S1 and this is S2, and they both are intersecting, and you need to find the plane that is common to both the sphere. Then just simply you can either subtract S2 from S1 or S1 from S2. You will get the answer. If I am subtracting S1 from S2, then what will I get? X square to x square will cancel out, y square to y square will cancel out, z square to z square will cancel out. 7 square minus 3x square, oh, 7x minus 3x minus is in between, then it is 7x plus 3x. Then y minus 2y minus 3y, it is minus 5y. Then minus z minus 4z, so it is minus 5z. And 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. So it is 10x minus 5y minus 5z is equal to 5. Taking 5 common, it is 2x minus y minus z is equal to 1. So which is option number A. So anytime if you encounter This question, जब subtract one square from the other, equation of one square from the other, you will get the answer. Okay, this is the simplest way of doing such type of questions. Next question, it is asking if the angle theta between the line and the plane is such that sin theta is 1 upon 3, then the value of lambda is. Since we know that sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta, and to find the angle between these two planes, we use the formula cos theta. So this will be the angle cos 90 minus theta is, since you have not studied vector space till now, even though I can solve it using A1, A2, okay? So 1 into 2, it is 2. Then 2 into minus 1, it is 2 into minus 1, it is minus 2. Then 2 into root lambda, it is 2 times root lambda upon 2 minus 2 plus 2 into root lambda upon, it is 3 times root 2 का square 4, 1 का square 1, and root lambda का square root lambda. Okay, so it is coming out to be cos 90 minus theta is equal to 2 minus 2, it is 0. Okay, it is 2 root lambda upon 3 times root 5 plus lambda, if I am not wrong. So if you solve these equations, then sin theta is given to be 1 upon 3. Then cos 90 minus theta, sin theta is 1 upon 3, then it is 1 upon 3. If you cross multiply it, it is 6 times root lambda is equal to 3 times root 5 plus lambda. Okay, then it is 2 is equal to lambda upon 5 plus lambda, 2 ka square. If I take a square on both the side, right, it is 2 ka square 4. So 4 20 plus 4 lambda is equal to lambda. Means lambda is equal to, wait, 3, okay, I made mistake in the calculation. It is 3 times root 5 only, okay, not with this. 3 times root 5 plus lambda. Okay. Then you can see there was a calculation mistake over here. Okay. Then you will find that lambda is the 5 point. It's not a big deal. You can do the calculations by you. Okay. I just told you the questions. The angle between the lines is very easy question. Just simplify the lines. First will be x upon 3 is equal to y upon 2 is equal to z upon minus 6. Next will be x upon 2. You need to just simplify y upon minus 12 so that all the coefficients came out to be 0. Then the angle cos theta will be 3 2 is 6 plus 2 minus 24, 6 3 is 18 upon root 3 square, 2 square, 6 square, it is 49. And next it is 2 square, 12 square, 3 square, 144, 144, 9, 162 plus 157. Okay, so you can simplify, it is coming out to be 0. Cos theta is 0, it means theta is equal to pi by the quantity above is 0. Okay, pi by 2 means 90. If I have told you pi radian is equal to 180. What is the equation of a sphere with unit radius having center at origin? You know it is option number B. Nothing big T. Okay. Next question is what is the sum of square of direction cosines on x-axis? So on x-axis it is asking. So you know that cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. So when it is x-axis, then it will be only L square. M is 0 and 0 is equal to 1. Okay. So simply it will be option number C, which is 1. Okay. So it does not matter on which axis you are taking. Next question is also, if you what is the distance of this line from the origin? You can again do this. It is 0 minus 3 upon 2 square plus 2 square upon root 9, which is equal to minus 3 modulus. Okay, upon 3, it is 1. All right. Again, okay, so these were the questions that we have discussed today, and you can solve other questions as well. Like this question, it is easy. You can do it by yourself. We'll simply just use the formula of cos theta, a1, a2, b1, b2, and you will see that 2 into minus 1, 2 into 1, not minus 1. So it is 2. And you need to just, first of all, bring them in simpler form. Okay. It is 1, it is b1, b2, and c1, c2. Then you will see that quantity, when you find the cos theta, then it will, some will come here and something will come here. The thing that will come here will be equal to 0. You will see that theta will be pi by 2 or 90 degrees simply. So option A will be correct in that situation. Okay. So that's all for today's class. And we will start next topic, I think, vector algebra. Let me check once. What will be the next topic? So next class will be tomorrow. It will be of vector algebra. Okay, it will be of vector algebra. Then when you will study vector algebra, then finding the angles will become more easier for you, because on at that time you will get to know about the what I you will get to know about vectors. And once you will be familiar with the vectors, you familiar with the position vector, you familiar with the finding equation of a vector, equation of a line with the help of a vector, then you will get to know how to find the angle between two lines. So 3D geometry will, I would say, become more easier then you will get to know about the vectors. Okay, so we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Bye.